Hi everybody and welcome to Life Elite Christmas Day 4.
Today we get to talk about 5 ways to keep yourself on track during the holiday season.
Tip number 1, and this is one that has taken me a long time to master, but I'm getting closer. I'm getting much closer. I've been doing really good. Like waking up early.
I'm really good at the first half of this.
Yeah, he's really good at
bad at, well, I used to be good at the
So go to bed earlier and wake up earlier. So this time of year it feels like the days are just packed and there is no time for yourself. There's no time to work on your goals. There's no time to like meal prep. There's no time to exercise. And on top of it, doesn't feel like there's even time to do like the things you need to do for the holidays. So no time to buy presents, no time to like cook dinners and do all the stuff that you need to do for the holidays. So if you can buy yourself a little extra time in the morning, like by going to bed a little bit earlier and like, you know, not staying up this late, not doing, you know, like crashing in front of the TV or whatever you typically do at night, try to go to bed a little earlier, wake up a little earlier, it's gonna make a world of difference. My mornings have become like sacred and they are so productive. Like so many entrepreneurs and CEOs swear by waking up really, really early, and for me it's been really, really like beneficial. So
the second one's a great one. So planning your day the night before. That seems pretty simple, but this can get tricky. And if you're like me, I like spontaneity. I don't like my to-do list. I don't like being bogged down by all the things I've got to do. The key to winning at this one is planning the fun things that you're like, man, if I really want to do this, it's like put it in there. The other thing is rewarding yourself with the fun things. So you wake up early, you gotta get up, do the things you don't want to do first. Get them out of the way, because then that really kicks off your day and you're like, dude, I can take on anything at this point. And it sets you up to where, you know, by 3 o'clock, by 4 o'clock, whatever it is, you know, you're doing the things that you actually want to do versus trying to play catch up because you either slept in too late or you're just getting around to those things that you really didn't want to do in the first place.
So this kind of like pairs well with the waking up early one, because I have the hardest time once I come home at the end of the day. I have the hardest time getting anything done just because I'm tired and I want to like go get my workout in, or like I cook dinner and then I want to just like relax and crash in front of the TV or whatever, and it's like I don't feel like working on the things that like had to get done, but if they have to get done, they have to get done. So if you can try to prioritize and like do those things first thing in the morning, it's gonna make a world of difference for you. All right, so the next one is block off 30 minutes for your workout every single day. If that's like the one thing you can get done every single day, it's gonna make a world of difference. Not only because you're taking care of yourself, but because it's actually gonna help your energy levels too. So if you're like me and you tend to feel like you kind of crash during the holidays and you start like eating junk food and it just turns into a downward spiral, for me it's always December. I feel like I'm gold through Thanksgiving, and December is always the month that I'm like, what have I done? Like I totally fallen off track. I'm like eating junk food. I haven't been to the gym in a month. Like it's crazy just because the month is so crazy, especially when we do Vlogmas. It's a lot. So if you block off just 30 minutes every single day on your calendar to get your workout in, even if it's doing a workout at home, we have a ton of great workouts on our Instagram and on our YouTube channel. Like we'll link the playlist up here. You can go do any of those workouts. A lot of them can be done at home. Go get a workout in, get 30 minutes, just a 30-minute quick workout in. It's gonna make a world of difference for your health.
The thing about the 30-minute workout, it is more for snapping you out of your current environment, rejuvenating your brain to where you need it to be so you're in a healthier spot. It's not one of those things like, oh, I gotta get a quick workout in. It's like, no, I'm gonna take 30 minutes for myself to align my mind and body so that I can carry through with the rest of my day.
So it's just important every single day to show up for yourself, especially during the holidays. Like, I think you're the one who like said this, like you posted on our Instagram or something, but it's really hard to give from an empty cup. Like you can't do it. So, you know, invest 30 minutes into yourself, get your workout in, and that way you'll be able to be your best for your family and friends during the holidays.
So the next one is defining what it means to be on track. I think this is an important piece that a lot of people forget, is they create these ideas of their perfect life or what they want their lifestyle to look like, but it's so fuzzy that they don't have a really target to aim at. And
expectations. So if you eat an extra piece of cheesecake and skip the gym and finish it off with a glass of wine, I mean, that could mean on track. And it's like, that's okay to have every now and then, but if you go through a couple of days of that, you're gonna eventually notice it, not only like if, you know, you have goals as far as like losing weight or, you know, building muscle, you're also just gonna notice it in your overall health. You're gonna notice that you're more sluggish. You're gonna notice that your energy levels are down. You're gonna notice you might have a hard time sleeping, or you start having anxiety or whatever. Like, all those things could be like, you know, combined into just, you know, eating unhealthy for a couple days in a row. So just defining like, okay, I'm gonna not eat dairy this month, or I'm only gonna have meat on Fridays, or I'm going to work out 30 minutes a day. Those are your on track. That is your on track, and that way you don't have to feel like I've got to accomplish everything in the world in the month of December. You've got your couple of things that are like, these are the non-negotiables. If I get these things done, I'm on track.
This is my favorite one. This is probably the most important thing out of our entire list, is not to get bogged down by an often remaining present during the holiday season. That's where the magic's actually going to happen during your holiday season. Being there for those important moments, enjoying those. So whether something went wrong and you know, the day just went terrible, it's okay. Like, leave it back in the past. We're moving forward into the present moment and taking it in for what it is, and just trying to make the most of those, and just really focusing on not what happened or the anxiety that comes to what may happen. It's about being there.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope these tips help you stay on track during the holiday season. And just remember to have fun. Like, it is the holidays, don't come around one time a year. So let's enjoy it, and, you know, take these tips, stay on track so they don't get bogged down. At the same time, remember to enjoy it. It's the holidays. Like, it's the most fun time of the year. So just enjoy it. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because we have new videos coming to you every single day until December 25th. And we have a bunch of great stuff coming in January to kick off the new year. I can't believe it's almost 2020. Like, I'm very excited. 2020 feels like it's gonna be a good year. I got a feeling.
That's my vision.
Yeah, I know. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. So anyway, don't forget to push the notification bell. Remember to follow us on Instagram. There's a lot of great workouts there, a lot of fun stuff going on over our Instagram page. So please go follow us there, and we will see you guys tomorrow for Life Elite Christmas Day 5.